I have been meaning to do this for some time now. Typical piece of origami paper. I usually start out folding it diagonally with the color on the inside. First, opening it up, folding it diagonally going the other direction, you can see the crease with the color on the outside this time. So it gives you something of an X across diagonally. And I fold it in half rectangularly with color on the outside. I open it up and fold it in half again, straight up and down, again with color on the outside. Now this gives you a piece of paper folded 4 times. When it's folded in half like this, I take the sides, squeeze them together while the middle opens up, and then press it all flat into a smaller square. This is what is typically called a bird base. Since this is the basic start of the origami crane. Now if you see, you have one corner here that's all closed off, opposite of a corner that's all opened up. Now I take the corner that's open and I fold these pieces in half along the middle line, giving you a kite shape with the super pointy end, what used to be the open pieces. And I do this to all 4 flaps, like so. So this is 1 and this is 2 going now. Turn it over and fold the other side right up against the middle, and finally the 4th flap. And they have the basic kite shape. I unfold these 4. So like I said, the pointier side is the side that opens up. Now I take my thumb, goes in between the flap, and I turn this inside out, right along the existing seams. This is one of the trickier folds, and you have to do it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 3, and it goes 3. And finally, open it up, number 4, turn it inside out, and fold it flat. And you can see this is the piece that opens up, and this will be the top. And I spread this piece open slightly, and I turn this half inside out. You can see it goes almost to the top there. And I angle this down like so, squash it flat. Basically, this line here lines up with what's going to be the wing. I turn it over, and I do the same to the other side. Now, generally, one of them turns out a little longer or a little straight up and down more so than the other side. And I pick that side, it looks like this one to me right now, as the nose. And I fold this flap up, pointing towards the nose, with this edge here lining up with this edge here, much like so. Turn it around and do the same to the other side. Like that. One more inside out fold with the nose coming down. Squash it flat. Now your origami flapping crane is basically done. You pinch the front, right, holding the wings together right underneath the neck, and roll the wings down. I usually give them a slight curve. like so. And now you're basically done. Pinch the front, hold the wings together right into the neck, and pull the tail straight back, and the wings will flap.